In the bustling heart of Mumbai's tech hub, Rachna Kapoor thrived as a sharp software engineer at a top firm. At 28, she was independent, ambitious, and utterly smitten with her fiance, Shekhar Mehra. He was her perfect match, a fellow techie well placed in a leading tech company, hailing from a prosperous family that valued tradition and success. Their engagement just a month ago had been a whirlwind of joy. Stolen coffee dates, late night coding sessions turned romantic, and dreams of a shared future. But as the weeks blurred into routine, a subtle crack appeared in the idyllic picture. It started innocently enough. One evening, Rachna dialed Shekhar's number around 6 p.m., eager to share a funny office anecdote. The phone rang, no answer. She tried again an hour later, then once more before bed. Nothing. He called back at 9:30 p.m., sounding rushed. Sorry, love, buried in a deadline, he mumbled, his voice laced with an odd fatigue. Rachna brushed it off. Take life was demanding after all. The next day, everything was normal. Flirty texts, plans for weekend. But 3 days later, it happened again. From 6 to 9 p.m., silence. No response to her calls or messages. When he finally picked up at 9:15, his excuse was flimsy. Traffic was insane, phone on silent. Rachna brow furrowed. Traffic? In Mumbai, sure, but for 3 straight hours. She let it slide, not wanting to seem clinging. The pattern emerged like a glitch in a code. She couldn't debug. 3 to 4 days a week, almost those exact hours. 6 to 9 p.m. Shekhar vanished from her digital world. Calls went unanswered, texts unread. On other days, he was his attentive self, showering her with affection. But during those blackouts, radio silence. Curiosity gnawed at her. One Friday, she casually asked over lunch, Hey, what do you do after work on Tuesday or Thursday? You seem unavailable. Shekhar's fork paused mid-air, his eyes darting away. Oh, just gym stuff, clearing my head. Gym? He hated workouts. He had always joked about his coder's belly. The lie hung in the air like unsaved changes. Suspicions deepened into a quiet storm. To examine, Rachna suggested they meet one evening during his mystery hours. Let's grab dinner at 7. She texted. His reply was swift. Can't, babe. A family thing popped up. Family? Rachna sniffed. His parents lived across town and he had not even mentioned their arrival. Another time, she proposed a video call. Miss your face. Let's chat at 6:30. He declined with a lame excuse. Battery dying and I am out running errands. Errands? At that hour? The doubts multiplied. Why the secrecy? Was there someone else? An ex? Or worse, a double life? Rachna's mind raced through worst case scenarios. Late night meetings with a colleague, hidden affairs in dimly lit cafes. He even started dodging weekend plans for the overlapped with his schedule, citing exhaustion from the week. Her heart ached. The man she loved was slipping away, brick by evasive brick. He is cheating. She confided in her best friend over coffee. I can feel it. Her friends nodded gravely. Don't ignore the red flags, Raj. Hire someone to uncover the truth before it is too late. Torn but determined, Rachna contacted a discreet private investigator, a no-nonsense pro named Bikram. Follow him during those hours, she instructed, her voice trembling. I need to know if I am being played. Days turned into a tense wait, her work suffering as paranoia set in. What if he was meeting another woman? What dark secret was he hiding? Finally, Bikram called with a report. Rachna braced for heartbreak, imagining something sinister. Instead, the detective sounded serious over the phone. Ma'am, you are not going to believe this. Your fiance, he is harmonizing. What? What does it mean? The truth trembled out when Vikram handed her some pictures. Sekhar, the strategic witch, was standing by the microphone, crooning a tune under the guidance of a Karki guru. Those missing hours. Secret lessons at a tucked-away music academy in the suburbs, where he warbled Bollywood classics. His grand plan to surprise Rachna by serenading her at their wedding built out a romantic number during the reception, complete with guitar strums and heartfelt lyrics. He has been practicing Tum Hi Ho on repeat. Bikram laughed, sharing blurry photos of the Sekhar mid-tone, face scrunched in concentration, looking more like a flustered karaoke newbie than a Serb's suitor. Rachna burst into laughter, tears streaming down her face, amazed at his adorable dorkiness. She felt a fresh love of crush over her. Who knew her butler fiance was a closet rock star? That evening, she called him, fighting giggles. Busy again tonight? She teased. When he fumbled another excuse, she whispered, save those vocals for the wedding aisle, my secret soloist. His stunned silence melted into shared hysterics, pulling them closer than ever.